Alrighty guys, so let's get into this Bizox here. Yeah, this thing, we got a plastic over it, so. Okay, so there's there's a bag. Okay, and the booklet, instruction manual. Oops. And right here are the headphones, so here you go guys, there's a charging cable, USB. There's also the headphone jacks. And here it is. It's got the left and right. It's pretty cool, guys. It's actually, okay, so this part right here rotates. And it's got a nice soft cushion on top, and I must say that the cushion right here is really soft. Wow, it's actually softer than the Beats that I have. Wow, this is cool. So it's a Soundcore. Pretty awesome, guys. In the description of this video, I will write a little review, let you guys know what it sounds like, because I'm going to go ahead and charge it up and put it to use and let you guys know from there. But it seems like, okay, this is the button right here, I guess, the plus and minus, so up and down volume. And there are a couple more buttons for the on and off, I guess, on this side. Okay, so there it is, guys, the Soundcore Life Q20. Okay. I want to thank you guys for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching, guys.